Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2026 BMW M340i xDrive sedan in Portimao Blue Metallic with the Tacora Red interior. Alright, so this is the 2026 BMW M340i xDrive sedan in Portimao Blue Metallic. And I've just put on the pathway lighting by pressing and holding the panic button for 1 second so we can get the low beam system on like this. And this M340i is for David. He is a fan turned client turned friend. And finally today he's taking delivery of his new 2026 M340i in Portimao Blue. And he reached out to me. He's coming from a F-body 330i and going into this beautiful B58 340i. So now that we've done this lap all the way around the car, let's take a closer look at all the details. We got the beautiful Portimao Blue Metallic. The car is a little bit damp just because I brought it in from this crazy rainy mess outside, but it's gonna be picked up by David today and it'll go back out there. But Portimao Blue definitely looks awesome. I really love this blue color. We've got these nice lines coming down the hood, 4 lines. We have the rondelle up front and center. We have the one-piece high gloss black kidney grille with the honeycomb shapes, active grille shutters behind there, and more active grille shutters down below. And of course, lights on. Double inverted L shapes, looks really good. And I don't miss the pre-LCI at all. The LCI face looks really, really good. I love it. Now, if we take a closer look at the headlights, you'll see that these are the Shadowline BMW LED headlights with the intricate patterns, and you got these little things down here at the bottom that also illuminate and look really good. And when you see this lit up in your rearview mirror, you know right away there's a BMW behind you. Now, if we come around to the side here, you'll see that we have the 19-inch double spoke 995M wheels in jet black with the red M Sport brake there. And in the Canadian market, we have the M badge on the fender. We also have the new LCI 2 welcome light carpet, which has the crisscross diagonal patterns. We also have the black M wing mirror with the integrated turn signal and side camera. Up top, sunroof, new style antenna. And if I step back here, you'll see that we've got nice, beautiful side profile view of the 340. We have the touch comfort access on all 4 door handles. We've got the black window surrounds, Hofmeister kink back here. Here's your rear 995M wheel in jet black with the red caliper. And we also have the black spoiler on the trunk lid. I don't know why I said blue. And if I come back here, L-shaped tail lights. We also have the brushed aluminum M340i badging. When the LCI came out, it was chrome. And we have the freeform exhaust down here in black chrome with the rear diffuser. And this one comes with and performance muffler. And I've got the key with me, so I can definitely just swift kick underneath the middle. Carpeted mats down here. We also have a release lever on each side to fold down the seats. We've got the grocery bag hanger, netted area, tire inflator kit there with wheel lock key and tow hook. And we've got a little plastic bit on this side. Button to close, another one to close and lock, but we can certainly kick our foot underneath the middle of the vehicle to have this close the hands-free way. Look at that with the welcome light carpet. And this color looks sweet. Fuel cap door on the passenger side, connected to the central locking system. We're looking for 93 octane. BMW M recommends Shell V-Power. Counterclockwise, 1 click. There's a spot to put this while you refuel. Clockwise, 1 click to close. And if I open the rear door, you'll see that we have the lovely Tacora Red interior. And we have galvanic window controls, some ambient light down here, Harman Kardon sound system, some pockets. And let me just undo these seat belts. And look at these seats. Center headrest flips up or flips down. Armrest in the center with some cup holders. pass through in as well. And we also have some vents, rear climate controls, 2 USB Type-C charging ports, more vents underneath the front seats, optional winter mats are installed, and there's some illumination down there once the car is actually on. And up top, we got the handles, coat hangers, and reading lights. Love the Tacora Red interior. So let's shut that door. We'll open up the front passenger door next. And here you can see that we have the door pull, unlock, lock, window switch, ambient light, Harman Kardon sound system, pocket, aluminum M dorsal, full power seat with lumbar. I'm just gonna lower that a bit and recline that a bit. Headrest is manually adjusted. Under the thigh, also manually adjusted. Carbon fiber interior trim, soft touch materials on the dash. Close, open the vent, illuminated glove box, and we also have iDrive 8.5 on the curved display, and we've got some cascading ambient light down here. Open that up, wireless charger, USB-A, cup holders, 12-volt plug, glass controls, push start button, gear selector, and we have the iDrive controller also. And if I lift this up, there's a USB Type-C charging port, some cabling paths on each side so it doesn't pinch. So let's shut this door and we'll open up the driver door next. All right, so if you open up that driver door, you'll see inside that we have, again, Tacora Red, memory buttons, unlock, lock, door pull, window switches, side mirror controls, tailgate release, push to open, pull and hold to close while the key's inside. M aluminum dorsal, full power seat with lumbar once again. We have the new flat bottom steering wheel with M at 6 o'clock, M tricolor stitching all the way around, red marker at 12 o'clock. Head-up display with the nice stitching going around there as well. And when you get premium here, you get 360 cam, head-up display, Harman Kardon, with automatic parking and the backup assistant. And we also have the garage door opener buttons, interior lighting, sunroof controls. Oh. Got the sunshade open there. Your visor can come down, open, come out, extend. And now that we've had a chance to look over here, let's take a look down here. We have some exterior lighting controls, pedals with the winter mat. Hood releases here, 2 pulls, 1, 2. So when we arrive to the front, we won't have to find anything. You just have to lift this up. And there it is, the beautiful B58 3-liter inline 6 twin power turbo, 386 horsepower, 398 foot-pounds of torque. And we also have positive battery terminal. We have negative battery terminal, washer fluid, nice M Performance engine cover, looking sweet. And BMWs have 2 latches underneath, so we just need to make sure they close at the same time. So with the fingers on the rondelle, literally just center down. Beauty. All right, so before we conclude the video, I just wanted to do one more lap all the way around. This color is truly stunning. And it looks good in low light and in bright light. And as the default blue for the 3 Series, I think it's really, really nice. And since we're back here and we've got the M Performance muffler, 1, 2, 3 on the lock button. So it had that nice grunt on the cold start. And we can hear it idling. It's gonna settle down a bit, and once the car's had a chance to warm up a little bit, we'll do a couple of exhaust notes just for you, David. All right, we're warmed up in Sport Plus. Let's have a listen. that's why you should get the M Performance exhaust. And now that we've done that, I'm actually just gonna leave it running. Shut the door. The whole dealership's wondering, what was that amazing sound? Car sounds great, drives great, performs in every single way. M340i is one of the best when it comes to all-around goodness. So now that we've had a chance to look all the way around the car, what do you think of this spec? Let me know in the comments below. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2026 BMW M340i xDrive sedan in Portimao Blue Metallic with the Tacora Red interior, M Sport Pro, M Performance exhaust. This car's got it all. So if you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's at AlanBMWDurham. Congratulations, David. This car is amazing. Big upgrade for you. Welcome to the next level of your life. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.